because this chapter is in my special chapter. In fact, the learnings what the chapter has told I've applied in my personal life as well, almost 3 to 4 years back. And let me share that experience with you because the chapter is pretty so important. It sounds very easy, but really difficult to apply. No university professor is a billionaire. So how come they will teach you to become a billionaire or an entrepreneur? It is very, very impossible. But still, because of society's programming, many of us are, we get inclination to go for higher studies just to get a feel of a degree or whatever you can call it. And that is where you need to understand this chapter because it's very, very difficult to understand in real life. Because the chapter clearly tells that specialized knowledge is power, applied knowledge is power. Now, if you're running after knowledge, you actually don't have to go to degree. You can actually get the same knowledge through Udemy courses as well. So basically, you need to be clear, why are you going for higher studies? Are you going for that feeling? Are you going for enjoying that 2 years of your life? Maybe you want 1 or 2 years of break. Maybe that's why. So if you're very clear, why do you want to go higher studies? You won't fool yourself. So when I started initially in my career, I had an offer from Imperial College London, and I was pretty sure why should I go for higher studies because I knew the college was number one. So I just wanted to go because the college was number one in the world, and I wanted to get the degree. That what to say, like how IIT degree is very fancy and all those stuff to get that degree. But when life taught me a lot of lessons. In that time, I think I dropped out of that degree. I didn't go to the higher studies, and that struggles in my life at that moment of time made me realize why I was supposed to go there. Was I going after the knowledge, or was I going after a degree, or ultimately what do I want? And that is where Wheel of Life and Dreams, what Vijay has been recommending from the start of PIM, really helps. If you're really clear what you want or what you don't want in your life, you'll be able to take these tough decisions because it is not easy to take a decision whether to do higher studies or not. Because most of us will do higher studies just for having a good position in one corporate job. Because to be honest, we can fool ourselves telling other people, we want that knowledge, we want that degree and all. But honestly, 95% people go for higher studies just to get a stable job, thinking that job will fulfill all our dreams. But I do believe that is also important because in this current society, if you want to have a basic survival need, at least you need to have a basic one good degree which will help you to give a kickstart. And definitely that is not going to give you a long-term solution. Once you go to your corporate, you will realize that. And most of you, if you're in corporate, you will know what I'm speaking exactly. And that is when the trick of this chapter comes. And the chapter clearly tells that even if you don't have degree, but if you have a skills to surround yourself with people with filled of degrees, that also is equivalent to you got that knowledge. And that is where the ignorant pacifist, the example of Jesse, what he told, Henry Ford was just 6th standard pass out. He had no specialized knowledge at all, but he had people who had specialized knowledge. How good is that? And that is where PIM comes into the picture. I'm so excited because I know someone like Shahid, someone like anyone who come from any domain, if they really get this clarity of the specialized knowledge, they can surround themselves with world-class set of people and still accomplish their dreams just by learning how to develop leadership skills, just by learning how to, cast your vision, just to develop a passion in your work so that you can cast vision in your team and to know where you can direct people to. And that is where I think Oyo Room's example is the number one example which I felt from my heart because that guy from Odisha only, he had no degree, nothing, and he could build a huge empire surrounded by IIMs, IITs, I don't know what not. And that is a real life example I get inspiration from, a live example of specialized knowledge in the picture of